Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what you need: the movie file and a transcript. Open your subtitle editor, load the video, and import the transcript so timing can begin. Once loaded, set the frame rate to match the video. This keeps sync stable. Make a quick 10-20 second pass to mark scene boundaries because timing anchors reduce drift. Then create an initial subtitle file and save it as SRT or AS. Make sure you saved a copy of the original movie first. You now refine timing and text. Play small segments, drag cue points to word boundaries, and watch the waveform to match syllables. Once done, split long sentences into readable chunks, keeping each line within recommended width so viewers can read comfortably. Make sure durations respect reading speed, shorter bits show shorter. Use styles for font, size, and position. Set primary language and secondary if needed. Finally, preview the whole scene-to-scene run. You finish by exporting the subtitle file in UTF-8. This prevents accented letter errors. Then mux the subtitles into the container using Handbrake or MKV toolnix so players see them automatically. Once done, test playback on multiple devices and players to confirm sync and styling. If things go wrong, check frame rate mismatch first, converting video to the same frame rate as the edit fixes most desyncs. Finally, archive both the separate subtitle file and the muxed movie for future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.